the tea family. Today I will be making my own version of Krapow Gai, stir-fry minced chicken with Thai basil leaf. It's really popular in Thailand. It's really tasty and nice. So let's start cooking. So to make Krapow Gai, we will need minced chicken, finely chopped garlic and chili, Thai basil leaves, some black peppercorn. This is optional, but I like adding black peppercorn. It will elevate the smell and the taste of the dish. And we will also need fish sauce and soy sauce. Now I will add some oil. When the oil is hot, add garlic and chili and fry until fragrant. And then add black peppercorn. Now I will add chicken, add soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add Thai basil leaf, and then keep stirring for a few minutes. And I will also splash some water, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, that's it. You don't even need to put salt or sugar. It's done. So I will serve just like they will serve in Thai restaurants. Rice, sunny side up on top. And then put our delicious chicken Krapow Gai. Okay, that's it. Not only is nice and tasty, it's easy to make too. So give it a go at home. You will feel like you're back in Thailand, eating this on the street of Bangkok. Thank you so much for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, so you will never miss any of our new videos. And give this video thumbs up as well. Take care guys, stay safe, bye.